Aceh is Indonesia's most western region. This area is known for its natural beauty. From the range of Bukit Barisan in Gayo Highlands to the white sandy beaches on the Banyak Islands. Aceh is endowed with rich natural resources and high-value commodities, from timber, gold, palm oil, coffee, petroleum and gas, attracting investors to carry out their business activities in Aceh. This potential is also supported by competitive and skilled human resources and commitment from the government in ensuring the ease of doing business in Aceh. By providing streamlined business licensing procedure and online consultation services.
Aceh Investment and One-Stop Services Agency is trying our best to be the leading agency to promote investment in Aceh.
Aceh is easily accessible from several major cities in Indonesia and ASEAN, thanks to its convenient infrastructure of international airports, highways and seaports. The construction of the Trans-Sumatra Toll Road, which will span 2,700 kilometers and connect Banda Aceh and Lampung by 2024, is expected to boost the local economy, increase competitiveness, and reduce logistics costs.
There are 4 priority sectors that we offer, which are infrastructure and energy, agro-industry, tourism, and the development of economic zone.
The government of Aceh is focusing on 4 priority sectors: the agro-industrial sector, which focuses on the development downstream industries for agricultural, forestry, livestock and fisheries commodities. Second, the tourism and creative industries, which is a supporting sector for SMEs. Aceh is a beautiful place with a rich culture and friendly people, making it a great destination for both local and foreign tourists. Third, the development of infrastructure and energy, which focuses on the potential of renewable energy, such as the development of power plants based on hydro, wind, waste, and geothermal sources. The 4th priority sector is the development of economic zones. These zones are clusters of economic development centers which provide competitive advantages for investors, consisting of Sabang Free Trade Zone, FTZ, the Aran Lok Sumawe Special Economic Zone, SEZ, Aceh Industrial Park, KIA at Ladong, and the International Fishing Port of PPS Kutaraja.
We believe that new investment in Aceh will create jobs for community, reduce poverty, add values for commodities and services in Aceh, as well as increase the economic growth.
The government is encouraging businesses and organizations to submit proposals for investment project ready to offer, IPRO, online through website www.investaceh.id. This data is expected to provide an overview to potential investors in making their decision. Among the IPRO project is the development of a palm cooking oil factory in Nagan Raya district. Aceh has palm oil plantations covering an area of 250,000 hectares, with smallholder farmers and annual production of 460,000 tons, involving 140,000 households. Currently, there are more than 60 palm oil factories spread across Aceh that produce crude palm oil, CPO. Nagan Raya is one of the areas that produces the most CPO and suitable for the development of palm oil downstream industries, such as the cooking oil industry.
Kami memandang bahwa sudah saatnya Aceh memiliki refinery atau pabrik minyak goreng atau turunan lainnya.
In tourism sector, the IPRO project offered is the development and management of a golf course in Aceh Besar. The golf course is located in Lok Ngar, Aceh Besar, The Lok Ngar Golf Course is a public golf course located in a popular tourist development area in Lampuk, with the potential to be developed into one of Indonesia's leading integrated tourism and golf destinations. This golf course has received positive reviews from professional and amateur players alike because of its challenging terrain and interesting contours, as well as its stunning surrounding of white sandy beaches and lush green mountains. The golf course currently only serves 9 holes out of the 18 holes that are available. The government is opening up opportunities for private sector to develop and manage this golf course, with the expectation that this will create jobs and support economic growth in the region.
We welcome you to invest in Aceh. Aceh is open for business.
The government is committed to making Aceh one of the leading investment destinations in Indonesia. We are constantly improving our infrastructure and policies to attract more businesses and investors. Come to Aceh and experience our hospitality and invest in our future. Aceh is open for business. Invest in Aceh now.